Hi, welcome to my channel. It's me, your favorite coach, Akisoya Photopeatutorials. I am super excited that you choose to learn from this channel. In this tutorial, we are going to be exploring how to create the cosmetic product package design that we have on the screen using our Pixellab and Photopea. Okay, but before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please do make sure you smash the subscribe button right now and then ensure that your post notification bell is turned on so as for you not to miss any of the videos that I'll be uploading anytime soon. And also, I'll urge you to make sure you give this video a thumbs up even before you start watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up so as for you to give others the chances of getting to watch this video. Alright, so I haven't said this and I haven't done this. Now let's get started. Okay, now the very first thing you need to do is to launch your Pixellab, and thereafter it deletes this default text. Okay, so we're going to delete it. Okay, then you click on the double square that we have here. All right, then you click on color. Awesome. The way we have, then you click on color again. Then so we click on the plus icon that we have here. Okay, then you click on the pen icon in order to edit the color. So you're going to impute the color code, which is FF, okay, 9960, CC. All right, then you click on the check mark and then you click on OK. Then you click on OK again. Automatically the color will be what's applied. Then you click on OK on the check mark again. All right, now the next thing you need to do now is to go to the polygon. This double polygon, so click on it. All right, then so we click on the plus icon, then click on sticker. Okay, so then you just click out and then you make use of this. Okay, now what else do we do to it? So we're going to compress it like this, and then we increase the size. So then we rotate this like this. Okay, then we increase the size more. All right, I think it's okay like this. Then what else do we do to it? So we're going to duplicate it. So we click on the pen icon that we have here and then click on copy. Okay, in order to duplicate it, you make sure that you position it back to that same spot in order to increase the intensity of the white fill, okay, on the background. Awesome. So I think it's okay like this. So what else do we do to it? So we click on our layer button. Okay, then we're going to merge the three of them together. Okay, then you click on merge. Okay, then you click on OK. Awesome. Then after doing that, so the next thing to do is to click on our plus icon. Then from gallery, also then we'll select this model's image. Beautiful. Then we'll click on the check mark. Okay, so we're gonna increase the size a bit like this, and then we'll position it somewhere here. Okay, then what else? So click on the plus icon again, then from gallery. All right, so then we're going to import this cream splash. Okay, so then we'll click on the check mark. Awesome. So we're going to increase the size of this like this, and we'll position it somewhere here. Okay, so position it somewhere like this. Awesome. I think it's okay like this here. So what else do we do? So we click on the plus icon again, then from gallery, so then we click on this logo, which is the master logo. Okay, then we click on the check mark. Okay, so this now we're going to reduce the size. So reduce the size more. Okay, so position it like this. Okay, then what else? So we click on the plus icon again, gallery. Okay, then what else? So we click on this, which is the certified PNG. Okay, so we click on it and then we click on check mark. Okay, so we're going to reduce the size and I'll position it somewhere here. Okay, so somewhere there. I think it's okay somewhere here like this. So then this, so let's reduce this more bit. Okay, then this will reduce it more. Awesome. Then what else? So we're gonna click on shadow. Okay, shadow. Okay, so we're going to input the shadow. Okay, then we change the color, so click on the plus icon here, and then we click on pen icon in order to change the color code for the shadow. So the color code is 001272. Okay, then we click on the check mark, and then we click on OK. Okay, awesome. So then what else? So let's see. So we're gonna bring this Y, offset Y, we're gonna bring it down a bit. Okay, then the blur radius, so we can, you know, either increase it or reduce it. So let's increase the bit. Okay, so let's make it 10. I think it's okay like this. Then we'll click on the check mark. Awesome, beautiful. So what else? So we click on the plus icon, the test. Okay, then we double tap on the test, and then we change the content to natural. Okay, natural. Okay, all right. Then what else? So we're gonna click on the text tool, which is this A. All right, so you scroll down to where we have fonts. Okay, then you click on my font. All right, so you must have installed the font before you can use the fonts in my font. Okay, so I'll make the fonts available so that you can also choose it to practice. Okay, so what else? So we are going to make use of this font called Clarissa. Okay, so this is it. Awesome. Then you click on OK. Beautiful. So this now we're gonna increase the size a bit like this. Then what else? So we click on, okay, then we click on rotate. All right, so click on rotate. So this now we're gonna increase it to 90. Okay, awesome. Okay, then we click on OK. Beautiful. So we go back to, we'll go to 3D rotate. Okay, then this now, so flip this. Okay, to also flip this. Okay, so make it 180. All right, then we click on OK. Beautiful. Then this now we're gonna increase the size a bit like this, and then we position it somewhere here. Okay, then we change the color, so we go to color. All right, then we select the same blue that we used earlier, but let me repeat the color code again. So we click on the pen icon, and then you input the color code. The color code is 001272. Okay, then you click on the check mark, and you click on OK. Did OK. Awesome. So you can see now the next thing to do now is to duplicate this text. So how do we go about that? So you click on the pen icon. All right, then you click on copy. All right, so you have it duplicated. Then what else? So you're going to click it, double tap on it, and then you change the text to fairness. All right, beautiful. Then you click on OK. Beautiful. So then what else? So you're going to position this a bit somehow close to the words, to the natural text. Okay, but you have to make sure that the two of them are they maintain center alignment. Okay, take it okay like this. Then what else? So you're going to click on the plus icon again, test. Okay, then this now we're going to tap on it, and then we elect it, and then we change the content to share and even toned skin. All right, then we click on OK. Beautiful. Okay, then we go to where we have our fonts. Beautiful. Okay, then by font, so we are going to make use of Galano semi-bold. Okay, and you click on OK. Beautiful. Okay, then what else? So we go to rotate. Okay, so we change this to 90. Let's see, minus 90. All right, so we're gonna make this to be minus what? Minus 90. All right, beautiful. Okay, then you position it like this, and then you reduce the size a bit. Beautiful. Okay, then what else? So we go change the color. So we change the color to 100% black. So you click on color, and then you click on the plus icon here. Okay, then pen icon, then you tap on the word and the color code, then change the color code to 00006 places. Okay, then you click on the check mark, then you click on OK. Beautiful. And you click on OK again. Awesome. So I think we are done with the first part of the design. Awesome. This is cool. So what else do we do now? So we are now going to save the design. So we're going to use click on the save icon here, and then you click on save as project. Okay, then we're going to use the master design one. Okay, awesome. Then you click on OK. Beautiful. The next thing to do now is to click on the save icon again. They will save it as what, as an image. Okay, beautiful. So make sure that your format type is on what, JPEG. Okay, then what else? So then you click on save to gallery. All right, so now that we are done with exporting the first phase of our design, so the next step for us to do now is to just move ahead. So next thing to do now is we delete this, delete the image, the model's image. Okay, then we'll delete the cream. Okay, awesome. Then this, now we're going to rotate this. So to rotate that, let's go to rotate. Okay, and now we flip this back to 180. You can see minus 180. Then click on OK. Then this also, you click on rotate. Then you flip this back to 180. Beautiful. Minus 180. Okay. Then this also, you click on it, and then click on rotate, and then you flip this back to let's see, this should be 0. Okay, awesome. You click on OK. Beautiful. Then the next thing to do that is to position the tests. Okay, so we want to make sure that it is positioned at the center. Before that, let me increase the size a bit. So I'll increase the size of this house. Beautiful. So okay, now let's position this at the center. Okay, and this also positioned at the center. So we click on the pen icon, relative position, to position it at the center. Awesome. Then this, so let me increase the size a bit. So we do the same thing for this pen icon, the relative position and the position at the center. Awesome. Then this, now we're gonna position this somewhere here, then this will be somewhere here. Okay, so let me take this down a bit. This two will come down a bit. Beautiful. Then this will also come down a bit. Awesome. Okay, then so let's give this relative position. Okay, also give this relative position. Awesome. Good. All right, they are all positioned at the center of our workspace. Okay, now what else do we do? So we click on save icon. Okay, then we'll click on save as project. Okay, so we're going to use the master design 2. All right, to save it. Beautiful. Then you click on OK. Awesome. Then what else? So you need to export it. So click on the save icon again. Then click on save as image. Okay, and make sure that the format type is on JPEG. Then click on save to gallery. Also, you can see image saved. Okay, then what else do we do? So the we'll move on to the next phase of the design. So this, we are going to delete this. Okay, we'll also delete this. I will delete this. Okay, I will delete this. I will delete this. Beautiful. Okay, then what else? So we're going to click on our plus icon, then shapes. Okay, we are okay with this shape. Okay, then what else? So we're going to increase the size, and I'll make sure that it's positioned at the center. So how do we go about that? So we click on a pen icon, the relative position, and then click on this and this. So by implication, it will be positioned at the center also. So this now, I think we need to reduce this a bit at this edge. So then this now, we're going to bring this towards this edge a bit also. Okay, I think it's okay like this, but let me reduce it more a bit. Awesome, good. Then what else do we do? So I'll quickly go copy the text. So I'll copy this. Okay, then what else? So I'll click on the plot icon. Okay, and text. Okay, so I'll tap on this and then impute the text and then click on OK. Awesome. So go to fonts. Okay, so I'll change the fonts to Galano semi-bold. Okay, now click on OK. Awesome. Then this, I'll reduce the size. Okay, beautiful. Then what else? So I'll click on this rotate. Okay, so I'll make this to be let's say -9. You can see I'll position it like this. So I'll reduce the size in bits. Okay, I'll position it like this. Awesome. Then what else? So I'll go to color. Okay, so I'll change the color to 100% black. Okay, awesome. Then what else? So I'll go copy the next text, which is this dummy text. So what else? So I'll click on on the plus icon again, then text. Okay, then what else? I'll tap on it and then I'll paste the text. Then I'll click on OK. Beautiful. Then what else? So I need to reduce this. Okay, so let me go to text size. So go to size. Okay, and I'll reduce the size. Okay, so I'll increase this more. I need to reduce the size from this edge. Okay, so make sure that it's well positioned. It is centralized within the white shape. Okay, then what else? So I'll click on align. Okay, let's make it to be center alignment. I think I love the center alignment. Okay, then we'll click on OK. Okay, then what else? So we go to fonts. So we go to fonts, and then we'll change the font to Galano alternative medium. Okay, awesome. So we can still think we need to reduce it a bit more. Beautiful. Okay, then what else? So we're gonna make it 100% black. So how do we give out that? So go to color. Okay, they'll make it 100% black. Okay, they click on OK. Awesome. Then what else are we going to do now? So we click on our plus icon. Then from gallery, we are going to select this. Okay, we'll click on OK. So then we reduce the size and I will position it somewhere here. Okay, What else again? Click on the plus icon again. Then from gallery, they will select this waste PNG. Okay, I'll click on OK. All right, so reduce the size and we'll position it somewhere here. Then what else? So click on the plus icon and test. Okay, so I'm going to type LDM Academy. All right, they'll click on OK. They will go to fonts. Okay, they click on my fonts. They are going to search for barcode. Okay, you can see barcode. They click on it. They click on OK. Awesome. AC. Okay, then what else? So make it. We're gonna make the color to be 100% black. Okay. Awesome. That is the need for us to do something here. Now for us to be able to, compress the image the way we want it to be. So we are going to click on our plus icon and shapes. Okay. So I think it's okay with this. Then we are going to, change the color of the shape to black. Okay, they will click on OK. They are going to compress the shape. Okay, and then make sure that it is positioned at the center of the, what is it called, within a black line. Okay, in the barcode. Okay, I think let me take this up a bit. Okay, and I will take this up a bit. Okay, so make sure that this shape is what is positioned within the black line. Okay, then we merge two together. Awesome, beautiful. So then what else? We're going to reduce the size. You see, so you can now increase it or you compress it or do whatever you want with it. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Beautiful. Okay, so what else? So we're now going to merge the three of them together. So merge them. Okay, yeah, see, so merge them. So you now click on the pen icon and then put them relative position. Then you click on the check mark. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So I think we are done with this part of the design also. So that the next thing we need to do now is to click on the save button. Then you click on save as project. Okay, so I'm going to use the master design 3 to save it. Okay, then click on OK. Awesome. Then what else? So you click on the on the save icon again. Then you click on save as image. Okay, don't forget format type should be on JPEG. Then you click on save to gallery. Okay, awesome. Can see image saved. Beautiful. Now we're done with that. So the next thing we need to do now is to work on the next part of the design. So in this part now we are going to be doing something much more bit different. So how do we go about that? So let me delete this. Okay, so I'll also delete this. Okay, then I will delete this. Okay, then I will delete this. Beautiful. Okay, then what else? I'll click on this double square that we have here. All right, then I'll click on image size. You can see, so I'll change the size to 950 by 2284. Okay, then I'll click on OK. Awesome. So you can see, so this is what we want. Then for this, so we are now going to reposition it the way you want it to be, or better still, let's delete it and then we click on our plus icon again, then sticker. Okay, you just click out like this and then you increase the size a bit like this. So you're going to compress it, increase the size like this, then you position it the way you actually want it to be. Okay, so then let me increase it more. Okay, then let's duplicate it. Beautiful. Yeah, so let's duplicate it more. Also, so I think it's okay like this. So let's duplicate it more. Okay, so more again. So position this towards this edge here. All right, so I think it's okay. So what else? So we click on the layer icon now. So we're gonna merge all of them together. Okay, beautiful. So what else are we going to do now? So we're gonna click on the plus icon, then from gallery. Okay, then we select the model's image. Okay, so click on the check mark. Then this now I'm going to reduce the size, so reduce it small. Okay, so we're going to position our image somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Also, then we click on the plus icon again, then from gallery. Okay, then we'll select this milky green splash. Okay, then we click on check mark. So then this, we're going to position it somewhere here at the extreme end like this. So I think it's okay somewhere here like this. So what else? So we click on the double polygon shape that we have here. So then we go to opacity, click on opacity. Then we going to reduce this to like I think 50 should be okay. Okay, right, then I click on the check mark. Beautiful. And now, so we click on our layer icon here. So then we're going to bring this down under the words, under the model's image. Awesome. So then this now, I think we need to take this backward a bit. Sorry. So let me lock this. Okay. Awesome. And this now, so I'll bring it backward a bit. Let me rotate it and I increase the size. Let me rotate it more. Okay, now position it like this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So what else? So we're now going to click on our plus icon again. Then from gallery, okay, then we select the local. Okay, then click on the check mark. So I'm now going to reduce the size of this like this. They'll position this somewhere here. Beautiful. So let's take this backward a bit. This will also come backward a bit. Okay, so this should be here. Beautiful. What else? So we click on that plus icon again, then test. Okay, then what else? So increase the size like this, and then we change the content to natural. Okay, natural. Okay, awesome. Then we go to where we have our test, our test property. Okay, then we go to font. All right, so we change the font to what's it called, Clarissa. Okay, then click on OK. Awesome. So then this now, we are now going to change the color. So we're gonna change the color to dark. Okay, then we click on check mark, which is okay. All right, what else? So we're gonna duplicate this. Okay, then we'll change the text to fairness. All right, then we'll click on OK. Beautiful. So this will then you are going to increase the size a bit, and then you position it someone like this. Awesome.
Right, that looks so perfect.
Yeah, you click on the plus icon again, tests. Okay, so let me go copy this. Okay, all right, so we are now going to double tap on this, and then we highlight the text, and then we paste the one we've copied. We'll click on OK. All right, so this now will go to fonts. Okay, so by fonts, then change this to Galando. All right, Galando semi-bold, and then we click on OK. Also, then reduce the size of this like this, and then position it at the center like this. Okay, then we change the color. Okay, so we're gonna change the color to 100% black. Okay, I'll click on OK. Awesome. This now will reduce the look more. So reduce the logo more. Okay, I think it's okay like this. And this, take it up. So let's see if you can apply relative position. There. So this for this test, so we're gonna give it a letter spacing. Okay, so you can see, click on spacing, then you increase the space so like 5. Okay, then you click on check mark. Awesome. So but make sure that it's positioned at the center of the fairness. All right, so I think we're done with this part of the design. So but what else? So we click on save. All right, yeah, this now you click on the save icon and you save as a project. Okay, so we're gonna use the master design 4 to save it. Okay, then click on OK. Awesome. All right, then let's save it as an image. So click on the save icon again, then save as image. All right, so the format type should be JPEG. Then you click on save to gallery. All right, so now that we are done with the first stage of our design, so now let's move on to the next phase. So what you have to do now is to launch your browser, or you launch Photopea application on your phone. For this tutorial, I'll be using my web browser to visit Photopea website. So I'll visit photopea.com. Okay. All right. Then I'll click on from open from computer. Okay. Then I'll select this first mockup. Okay. So now let me quickly say this before we move ahead. Like in the previous tutorial, I made mention that for you to make use of a mockup on Photopea, that you might decide to use their templates, or better still, you download your own preferred mockup from websites that provide mockup, such as FreePic and Ape Mockup and some other websites where you can download mockups from. Okay, so after that, then you need to extract it, because in most cases those mockups comes in the zip format. Then you extract that, the mockups that you downloaded, but in this tutorial I won't be doing any of that because I've already extracted the mockup already. So I'll make sure that I make the mockup available to you so as for you to make use of it in your practice. Okay, then let's move on. So what you have to do is, you see all this, we have 1, 2, 3, this mockup 1, mockup 2, mockup 3. So you have 3 of them here. So I'll be making use of the first one. So you can also decide on whichever one you want to make use of, or you can even do make use of the whole 3, but I'll make use of one in this tutorial because of my time. Okay, so I'll now click on open. Alright, so our mockup is opened. So now the next thing you need to do now is to double tap on this smart thumbnail for the jar. Okay, so we'll start with that. Okay, now there is a need for us to make sure that our design is being fitting, okay, into the same size that they used. Okay, so you might be wondering how I made my own design to fit it. So let me show you how to go about that. So you click on file, all right, then you click on export as, then you click on more. Okay, then you click on web. Okay, so by so doing, it will bring the property of the mockup. You can see the size. So you can see the width is 950 and the height is 284. So if you can recall vividly, that's the same size we used in the design while we are trying to design the front. Okay, so now let's move on. So I'll close this. So let me close this. So I'll now reopen it again. Okay, then what else do we do? So we click on file, then we click on open and place. Okay, all right, then you go navigate where you have the design stored on your smartphone. All right, so here's the design. So we have the master 4 as the one for the child. So we click on it, then we click on open. All right, so you can see that our design fits into their design exactly because we are able to make use of the same size they used. Okay, the next thing to do is to click on file and click on save smart objects. All right, and let's go to the main mockup to see the magic. All right, so you can see. Okay, now so let's move on. So now the next thing to do now is to work on the cap color. Okay, so click on the cap color, we double tap on this smart object thumbnail, okay, for the cap color. Okay, then we'll also double tap on this again. All right, so double tap on it again. That seems smart object thumbnail for the color. Then so what else do we do? So we are going to impute the color code. Okay, yeah, so we make use of the pink color code, which is FF99CC. okay, then you click on OK. Awesome, beautiful. You can see, then you click on file, then you click on save smart objects. Beautiful. So now let's go check the main mockup to see the magic. So you can see, awesome. So I'm making progress. So let me close this. I will close this. Okay, now the next thing for us to work on is to work on the front. So we double tap on the smart object thumbnail, okay, to work on the front. Then we click on file, then open and place. Okay, all right, they will select this smart object. They will select the master one. Okay, they will click on open. Awesome, they will click on file. Okay, so you can decide to unview the layer 1, okay, or you delete it. You can also leave it provided that your own design is on top of it. Okay, then what else? So you click on file, then you click on save smart objects. Awesome, so let's go check the main mockup so you can see the magic. So we'll close this. All right, so then what else? So let's work on the left. Okay, so you double tap on the smart object thumbnail for the left. Okay, we'll double tap on it, then click on file, then you click on open and place. Okay, what else? So then you select the master 3. Okay, then you click on open. Awesome. Then you click on file. Then you click on save smart objects. Okay, awesome. So let's go check the main mockup. So you can see the magic. You can see that we're making a whole lot of progress. Okay, then what else? So we're gonna close this. Okay, then what else? So we're gonna double tap on the top smart object W. All right. Then we'll click on file. Then open and place. Okay, then we'll select the master 2. Then we click on open. Okay, then we'll click on file. Then save smart object. Awesome. So let's go check the main mockup. Beautiful. So you can see what we are able to do. So we're going to close this. All right, so what else do we do? So we need to save our design now. So we need to save the mockup on our smartphone. So how do we go about that? So you click on file, then you click on export as. Okay, then you click on JPEG. Okay, beautiful. So you increase the quantity to maximum, which is 100%. Okay, so you can also decide to change the name. Okay, so I will use the master mockup. Okay, that's what I will use. Okay, then make sure that the format types on what JPEG. Then you click on save. Okay, so automatically your design will start downloading. So you can see, so I'll open it. I think it's downloaded. All right, you can see it. Then I'll click on open. All right, guys, so you can see what we are able to do. See how beautiful the mockup is. So I'm sure you can also replicate this same design just by following the same procedure that I taught you in this tutorial. Okay, so we've come to the end of this tutorial. So I'll make sure that the resources that I used in this tutorial be available in the description section of the YouTube channel. Okay, or you can also find it in the resource file. Okay, that will be attached to this tutorial. Okay, then if you found this video to be interesting and educative, do make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do make sure you smash the subscribe button right now and ensure that your post notification bell is turned on so as for you not to miss any of the videos that I'll be uploading anytime soon. All right, so thank you so much for staying with me. I appreciate you. I will see you in the next tutorial. Do have a lovely day. Bye.